Welcome to the JRD Solution YouTube channel, where financial education meets real-world business strategies. If you own a small business, bookkeeping may not be your favorite responsibility, but it is one of the most important. Bookkeeping helps you understand where your money comes from, where it goes, and how your business is performing. In this video, we'll explain bookkeeping in simple terms and show you why it matters, how monthly financial reports can help, how proper records can reduce tax season stress, and why understanding cash flow is essential for your business. Number 1. Why bookkeeping matters. So, why does bookkeeping matter? Because revenue alone doesn't tell you whether your business is truly healthy. A company can generate strong sales while also spending too much money. Bookkeeping helps you track income, expenses, profits, and financial patterns. It gives you a clearer picture of what is happening inside your business. With accurate records, you can identify unnecessary expenses, recognize profitable areas, and make better decisions. Instead of guessing about your company's financial condition, you can use real information to guide your next move. That's why bookkeeping is an important part of responsible business management. Number 2. Bookkeeping helps business decisions. Bookkeeping also helps you make smarter business decisions. Should you hire another employee? Can you afford new equipment? Is your advertising producing enough return? Should you expand into another market? These decisions require accurate financial information. When your records are organized, you can compare your income and expenses and understand what your business can realistically afford. You don't have to rely entirely on assumptions or guesswork. Your financial records give you information that can support better planning. The goal isn't simply to record transactions. The goal is to understand what those transactions are telling you about your business. Number 3. Monthly financial reports. One of the most valuable benefits of bookkeeping is having access to monthly financial reports. Instead of waiting until the end of the year, you can regularly see how your business is performing. A profit and loss statement can show your revenue, expenses, and profit. A balance sheet provides information about assets, liabilities, and equity. A cash flow statement helps you understand money moving into and out of your business. You don't need to become an accountant to benefit from these reports. As a business owner, you simply need to understand what the numbers are telling you. Number 4. Avoiding tax season stress. Another major reason bookkeeping matters is tax preparation. Tax season can become extremely stressful when your financial records are incomplete or disorganized. Imagine searching through 12 months of receipts, bank statements, invoices, and expenses at the last minute. Proper bookkeeping helps prevent that situation. When transactions are recorded consistently throughout the year, your financial information is easier to review when tax time arrives. Remember, bookkeeping and tax preparation are different tasks. Bookkeeping organizes your financial information, while a qualified tax professional can help with tax filing and applicable tax rules. Good records simply make the process more organized. Number 5. Don't wait until tax season. One of the biggest bookkeeping mistakes is waiting until tax season to organize everything. By then, you may have hundreds of transactions to review and receipts you can no longer find. Instead, create a regular bookkeeping routine. Review your transactions weekly or monthly. Keep receipts organized. Reconcile your accounts. Categorize expenses correctly. Review your financial reports regularly. These simple habits can save you significant time and reduce unnecessary stress later. You don't need to spend hours every day doing bookkeeping. What matters most is creating a consistent system that keeps your financial records current throughout the year. Number 6. Cash flow management. Now let's talk about cash flow. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out of your business. And here's something important. A profitable business can still experience cash flow problems. You may make a sale today, but receive payment weeks later, while your bills, payroll, rent, and suppliers need to be paid immediately. Bookkeeping helps you monitor these movements. When you understand your cash position, you can plan for upcoming expenses, identify late customer payments, and prepare for periods when cash may be tighter. Understanding cash flow helps you avoid financial surprises and manage your business more responsibly. Number 7. Profit isn't always cash. It's also important to understand that profit and available cash aren't always the same thing. Imagine your business completes a $20,000 project, but the customer won't pay for 60 days. The sale may appear in your financial records, but you still have expenses that need to be paid today. That's why business owners need to monitor accounts receivable, upcoming bills, payment schedules, and available cash. Good bookkeeping helps you see these financial movements clearly. When you understand both profitability and cash availability, you can plan more effectively and avoid spending money today that your business may need tomorrow. Number 8. Build a strong bookkeeping system. The good news is that bookkeeping doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a simple system that works for your business. Keep business and personal finances separate. Use reliable bookkeeping software or organized records. Save receipts and supporting documents. Review your bank transactions regularly. Track invoices and customer payments. Review monthly financial reports. And if your business becomes too complex, consider working with a qualified bookkeeping or accounting professional. Remember, technology can help automate many tasks, risks, but you still need to review your information for accuracy. A simple, consistent system can become one of the strongest foundations for your business. At JRD Solution, we believe financial education is the foundation of financial confidence. Bookkeeping may seem like a small part of running a business, but understanding your numbers can help you make better decisions, prepare for taxes, manage cash flow, and build a stronger financial foundation. You don't need to become an accountant. You simply need to stay organized and pay attention to what your numbers are telling you. For more financial education, business credit, funding strategies, and wealth building information, visit JRDSolution.com. Subscribe to the JRD Solution YouTube channel and keep learning how to build a stronger financial future. Educate, empower, execute.